Hey everyone, we are making vegetables fritters today. We'll start by taking two zucchinis, we'll cut their crown and grate them. I've added cloth here because we'll be squeezing out the excess water, so it will be easy for us. Add salt to it and let it sit for some time. In the meantime, we'll prep other veggies. Grate carrots, chop spring onions. If you don't have spring onions, you can use your regular onions as well. Finely chop coriander and spinach. You may add other veggies also that you like. It can be broccoli, capsicum, corn, etc. depending on your choice. Now we'll squeeze out the excess water. Please do not throw this away. It is very nutritious, so you can use it for any other thing. You can add it to your dal or soup, etc. Add it to the mixing bowl. And in goes all other veggies. For the binding, I'm adding 2 tablespoons atta and breadcrumbs. If you don't want to add breadcrumbs, you can add soaked poha as well. Mix it up really well. The trick here is you should use a fork to mix it. It will be easy for you. Now for the seasoning, I've added salt, oregano, garlic powder and crushed black pepper. Again, give it a final mix and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. In the meantime, we will make the dip of curd. For the dip, hang some curd in a strainer for around 15-20 minutes. To the strained curd, add lemon juice, garlic powder, black pepper and salt and mix it up and your dip is ready. To make fritters, simply take a spoonful of batter and lay it out on a hot pan. Add oil and cook it from both the sides. Thank you.